Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are all great by the grace of Almighty Allah. First of all, I'd like to say about myself. I am Shamim Mahmud, but my YouTube channel name is Mahmud Shamim. Someone could say that your name is Shamim Mahmud, but your YouTube channel name is Mahmud Shamim. Any special reason behind it? So I'd like to say, for those people who have very much curiosity regarding this, there's no special reason behind it. Okay, I'm gonna tell you briefly about myself. I'm Muslim and come from a Muslim family. My religion is Islam. I have been teaching for 8 years in different institutions. I'm here to give you some information which would be based on English. I'm gonna teach you like spoken English, academic English, grammar, how to develop English skill, how to develop grammar skill, how to pronounce correctly. Sometimes I will go outside and give you new videos that will be based on English, and you can learn many things from that videos and help you to learn many things from that. Okay, I think if you have so much interest in learning English, you could learn many things, many unknown words that will be help you to get understood and help you to be a fluent speaker. And here I would like to add one sentence which is very important for everyone. Practice should be must. Priority regarding this. Okay. So I'd like to request you all, please subscribe my YouTube channel so that you could watch my next videos, which is based on spoken English, and so that I could give you many new informations regarding anything that will help you to be a fluent speaker. And yeah, fluent speaker. Now I want to leave now, and wishing you a very happy moments. Bye bye.